Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2011 on a 61 plate Volkswagen Polo Match. This is the 1.4 petrol, 5 doors, finished in Reflex silver metallic, and it's covered just 31,000 miles. So have a good walk around this super looking 5-door Polo, the ever popular Polo. Just 31,000 miles on this one. Two former keepers, previously sold by ourselves. We actually sold the car at the beginning of this year. I think the mileage was about 28,000 at the time, to a local chap. We've actually looked after the car previously as well for a number of years beforehand, so we know the car very well indeed. It's come back into us. The guy who had the car has bought a Classic, which he's going to use day to day. This was only a spare car anyway, so it's come back into us now with 31,000 on the clock. We replaced a couple of tyres before he had it. Service history is exemplary, 10 stamps in the book, so thoroughly well maintained right the way through its life. Originally supplied by our local Volkswagen main agent. Condition wise, superb. We've got these 15-inch alloy wheels that are in really good shape. 5-door model, of course, and it's the match specification, so really nice level of trim. Getting on towards 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. Interior's lovely. Bolsters, etc. Really no signs of wear at all. Steering wheel's all good. So it's got remote central locking, does come supplied with 2 remote keys. As we come out to the door cards, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel, you've got your radio controls there. Normal manual handbrake, cup holder at the back. And then we've got 5-speed manual gearbox. A couple of cup holders ahead with an auxiliary input and your 12-volt socket. Make our way up, we've got your air conditioning, radio CD. Very straightforward Volkswagen setup, doesn't get any easier than that really. Service coming up, but we will do that at the point of sale. And let's just have a look at the mileage, 31520. And like I say, we sold it, I think it was February, March time, with about 28,000, so not hugely used. There's your handbooks. Always ever so popular, it sold super quickly the first time round. Good provenance. Electric windows in the back, loads of headroom, 3 proper seat belts with 3 headrests, and the ISOFIX, so it's a good 5-seater. Parking sensors across the rear, and then into the load space. Again, lovely and tidy. You've got your parcel shelf all intact, split folding rear seats, then you've got this nice high load space with some more space underneath, so like a twin layer to it. And then underneath you've got your spare wheel, locking wheel nut key, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, 2011 on a 61 plate Volkswagen Polo Match, 1.4 petrol, manual gearbox, 5-door model with 31,000 miles, comprehensive service history. Finance is available from £191 a month, and the car will come supplied with an MOT until September of 2023. We will be servicing the car, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look on the website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Like I say, always ever so popular, so I'm sure this one will be snapped up. Thanks for watching.